Greetings! Happy birthday to you and to your family. Always remember to love your parents because they are the one who pregnancy for you, and always promote peace in order. Take good care of yourself. Study hard. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. Happy birthday, birthday celebrate!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the start from tonight. Happy
What will you say to Mimi? What will you say to Mimi? Happy birthday, Mommy! I love you so much.
Mama,
Sabi mo happy birthday.
Aday to you. Aday to you. Aday to you.
Dali, happy birthday, mami.
Aday to you. Mommy,
Love you, son.
happy you.
Mama.
Mama.
Happy birthday, Mommy. We love you and sana mabuhay ka pa na matagal at gawin mo yung mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo. Huwag lang siya.
Hello, Ma. Happy birthday. Happy 47th birthday. Sana ay madami pang birthday na dumating sa'yo. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Ma. I love you. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Sana hanggang sa pagtanda mo ay naglalayas ka pa rin. Hindi. I love you. Lagi ka lang maging masaya sa mga ginagawa mo. Alam mo na yan. Bahala ka na. I love you. Lagi ka mag-iingat pagka nagmamotor ka. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you.
Yeah, hello, mami. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day, ma. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay mabuhay ka na matagal. Yan lang. Love you, Mama Chuchu. Thank you sa lahat.
Happy birthday, Nene. I love you. Anak.
Ano message mo, Madam?
Happy birthday, Nene! Sana marami ka pang birthday dumating. I love you, Nene. Mahal na mahal kita.
Kailangan ko tuloy.
Oops. Kala mo si Reniel to, ha? Si Aljon to. Happy birthday, Mami.
Happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa iyo na palagi kang budel, malakas. Biyaan ka palagi ng Lord ng mahabang buhay. Patuloy mo yung misyon mo dito sa lupa bilang isang Mary Antalan. Happy birthday and I love you. Love you palagi. Kahit hindi tayo nag-chat at nag-uusap, dito sa puso ko, love na love ko kayo ni Mama.
Happy birthday, Mommy May.
Hey Ate Mary Ann, happy birthday. Today is your special day. I'm very happy for your celebrate on your birthday. Kahit hindi kami makapunta, alam kong masaya ka. Andiyan ang family mo, mga anak mo. Stay pretty and God bless. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Mami. Mami May.
Birthday po, Mami. Birthday po, Mami.
Happy birthday po. Ayos lang? Ay, wala maisip.
Happy birthday, Mami. Laki na muscles to, oh. Para maging masaya ka lagi. Find true happiness. Alright, more muscles to come.